For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
With rising expansion in the worldwide economy, cryptographic forms of money keep on getting some decent forward movement as they are viewed as a support against a monetary downturn. This has made a transformation in the customary area of money as additional financial backers and monetary establishments embrace the utilization of computerized monetary standards like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and numerous others with a great many different advantages they present. Ethereum Classic has demonstrated to be perhaps of the most grounded entertainer through the cycles with an imposing business sector cap, in this manner drawing in a flood of designers, manufacturers, and financial backers to the organization. It is viewed as the principal Ethereum hard fork, and regardless of its solidarity, it has demonstrated to likewise be a dangerous resource in light of the discussions encompassing the production of the token. In this video, we'd investigate the Ethereum Classic biological system, the hidden qualities, and the future cost possible in light of specialists' perspectives and our examination. What is Ethereum Classic, ETC? Ethereum Classic, ETC, is a blockchain convention made in 2016 from the Ethereum organization. And so on is an open-source network that expects to give decentralized strategies to facilitating and creating applications, managing on-chain exchanges without delegates, and so on. Its capabilities in a deflationary strategy, which implies that the token was worked to be more significant than the parent coin Ethereum, which has a decent stock. This blockchain was likewise a consequence of the DAO hack on the Ethereum convention, bringing about a hard fork that meant to return the assets that were lost in the assault to the principal addresses. The contrast among Ethereum and Ethereum Classic isn't so noticeable besides locally base and market cap. Because of the significant piece of the improvement group having a place with the Ethereum establishment, etc., has battled to stay aware of the headway and element improvement. The Ethereum Classic convention can't be changed, not normal for the Ethereum blockchain, due to the administration of the convention. Additionally, with respect to the administration cycle on every convention, etc., works on the aggregate commitment of both the organization clients and designers. Ethereum Classic stresses the turn of events and security of its savvy contract while keeping up with the versatility of the blockchain. They mean to keep up with the simplicity of activity among the engineers, as much figuring power isn't expected to mine or work the organization. Ethereum Classic, ETC, Fundamental Analysis. At the hour of Ethereum Classic's commencement, it was drafted that the Ethereum holders would be conceded an etc. airdrop, which assisted in keeping up with the stock limit inside the cryptographic money with advertising. In any case, as the two chains advanced, the stockpile changed as a result of the elements of token upkeep on their conventions. The group behind the etc. is exceptionally broadened as the blockchain is taken care of by many portions like the advancement quarter, and assets. Obligations on the organization are shared by a lot of people of these groups while keeping the distance in navigation and decentralization, creating open doors for the organization used to be dynamic individuals in chain enhancements, mining ranch improvement, and dealing with the occasions on the stage. Joint efforts. To additionally fortify its situation as an Ethereum auxiliary, etc., has joined forces with numerous huge people and firms, particularly with the send-off of the Ethereum Classic Investment Trust and cooperation with Chinese exchange BTCC. Many tasks have been sent off in the convention because of Barry Silbert, prime supporter of the digital currency, began advancing Ethereum Classic on numerous monetary media stages. As of late, Grayscale Investments declared that Ethereum Trust has been rebranded to a SEC revealing firm, which added etc. to one of the main ventures of the Computerized Resources Director with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Digital Large Cap Fund, and a couple of others. Also, etc. Labs has cooperated with Gitcoin to work with additional mechanical ventures and overhauls, which thusly would draw in financial backers and capital inflow. They likewise worked together with Block Cloud and Swarm for the making of Block Cloud Connect, which will support Ethereum and Ethereum Classic framework administrations while focusing on top-of-the-line improvements, quality tasks, and overhauled security frameworks. Ethereum Classic, ETC, current price. Ethereum Classic is right now worth $33.01. And so forth has moved minus 3.78% as of now with an exchanging volume of $835,118,474. Ethereum Classic is right now positioned 20 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $4,417,990,805. Ethereum Classic, ETC, Price Prediction 2022. Ethereum Classic, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, etc. The etc. cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $49.51. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $46.21 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. And so on is supposed to have a base worth of $39.61. Ethereum Classic, ETC, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Ethereum Classic etc. cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of etc. will before long outperform $82.52. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the etc.'s general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, etc. will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $66.02 and a typical exchanging cost of $72.62. Ethereum Classic, ETC, Price Prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $115.53 and etc. might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. And so on is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $105.63 and a low of $99.03 in 2024. Ethereum Classic, ETC, Price Prediction 2025. On the off chance that Ethereum Classic effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the etc. coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, etc. will be green in 2025. The etc. is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $148.54, with a base cost of $132.04.